I am Pragya and I bring to you excerpts from the current issue of Outlook, which looks at two cover stories. 1. Ground reports from 5 states going to polls through 3 vectors of identity, gender, and health. And will the outcome decide which way the wind will blow in the 2024 general elections? Second cover story continues to be on Palestine, titled From the River to the Sea. Inheritance of Loss, ground report by Rakhi Bose and Ronak Shivhare in Bastar. Beyond Maoism and the Indian government's Punjivadi development, Bastar's Adivasis are realizing that the fight is really between Roti Kapda Makan and Jal, Jangal, Zameen. Ever since her husband's death, the middle-aged widow of Shamlu Kohrami lives in fear for her young children's lives. Kohrami had gone searching for his lost oxen in Keshtutul village, located in the Naxal-inhabited Bijapur district in Bastar, Chhattisgarh, in July this year. He was allegedly killed in an encounter with the police. They claimed he was a Maoist, but he was just a farmer, she insists. The widow has demanded compensation and written assurances from the government and local leaders, formally guaranteeing that her children will not be falsely labelled as Maoists and killed. Against hopes that her demands would be heard during the 2023 Chhattisgarh Assembly elections, Shamlu's widow, Nande Kohrami, was shunned by the politicians. Her village, part of the Maoist belt, felt neglected despite the electoral process. Bastar, where elections usually take place in the crosshairs of violence between security forces and Maoists, has seen an increase in the number of polling stations in the sensitive areas in the year, and some districts like Dantewada have recorded a slight increase in voting percentage. The mood in Bijapur, which recorded the lowest voter turnout, nevertheless remains tense. While state and security forces' narratives blame the Maoist boycott of elections for the low voter turnout, the region has seen a steady flow of anti-government protests led by unarmed Adivasi villagers for nearly 2 years now. For this and more, read the current issue of Outlook.